contingent leader ही लक्ष्य हिमा क्लास 12 अनि पहले परेड contingent जो पवेलियन ने आगे बढ़े हैं भी हैं जो मुन्हार सेंट्रल स्कूल की contingent leader है श्री लक्ष्य हिमा जो की क्लास 12 में है tunayang control yan in paret contingent te saluk achang le thon ani pavilion lama local ma sabek te ni ram jo munhar secondary school contingent te amni am boy tu hi lai chen ni ma class 12 ani पहले परेड contingent जो pavilion में आगे बढ़े हैं भी है जो munhar secondary school की contingent leader है जो कि क्लास 12 की है
रोल हो सकता है मां भी रो
pavilion जो munhar secondary school parade contingent the leader of the contingent is Lalchan Himo class 12 thank you munhar secondary school contingent you are so nice and smart अगला परेड कंटिंजेंट जो पवेलियन में आगे बढ़े हैं भी है गाम लिंजो मुन्हार स्कूल की कंटिंजेंट लीडर है श्री जोनाथन थमथमसांग of class 10
good
the next contingent come to the pavilion are Gam Linjo High School contingent the leader of the contingent is Jonathan Thomson of class 10 they perform the contingent parade along with the visual attire. Thank you so much. The third contingent comes to pavilion are Gamben Liangdong Middle School and the contingent leader is Zai Boy of class 8. Thank you Gamben Liangdong Middle School. अगला परेड contingent जो pavilion में लगे बादे हैं भी हैं Gamben Liangdong Middle School.
Kacak rola tan puya
Leader Zai Boy of class 8. The next come to the pavilion are Presbyterian English School, middle section. The leader of the contingent is Claudine Fuller, class 10, only class 8.
Rual de norong kala cuci rola tengci an buai pe kalau.
Valal Peka, sorry. Valal Peka.
An khat
Next come to the pavilion are Presbyterian English School, primary section. The leader of the contingent is Moses of class 3. Thank you, Presbyterian English School. You are so nice. You are so smart. Thank you for your salute. Your performance very nice.
Oh. Tunggu siam.
Tunggu connect the government primary school through. Amnia.
Siam sama ni mo.
Zone siam of class 4. Ani. The contingent come to the pavilion are government primary school too. The leader of contingent is Zone Siama of class 4. The last but not the least, parade contingent are government primary school 1. The leader of the contingent is Lalin Fella of class 4. Thank you, the parade contingents. Buena, letak ke sekolah pantai. Gamin Zoman High School, Lam Tu Tekha Kalkalawala.